Hi everyone, this is a video about quadcopters. Here we have two of them. One is JJRC H36 that is very capable, and the other one that we have is Revel Control, that is also known as Q4, Hobson Q4. But this one is rather a very limited version, that it doesn't do any sort of acrobatics and so on. It's just doesn't have any different speeds, so it's very basic. But because of the packaging, it is very expensive. It comes at between 15 to 35 pounds, which is totally ridiculous for such a small drone. And this one, it comes at 15 pounds. This unit that I have here, it came with two batteries with under 16 pounds, and it goes up to 25 pounds under different names, and it does everything acrobatic, different low and high speed, and we are going to talk about each of them individually. First, we go for the JJRC H36. that here it says it operates at 2.4 gigahertz, and it does inversion 36 360 degrees. It has LEDs, 6-axis gyroscope, and headless, return to home, and high and low speed. And this return to home, never use it outdoor, otherwise you are going to lose it. So this is H36 from JJRC, and it's designed for plus 14 ages. So we put this aside and we go to this Revel Control Nano Quad, and the other name is micro quadcopter. And to be honest, my review of this is not going to be good. I tell you why. But this one, it just has one speed, and it has gyroscope and 4 channels operation, LED, and the battery, it comes just with 100 milliamp battery that is capable of 5 minutes, but JJRC H36 is at 7 minutes. So I get both of them out and we do some comparison, and then I give you my honest opinion about both of these. So this is all that there is in the box for each of them. So first we are going for Q4 or Nano quadcopter, that the size is really small, no guards to protect the propellers, and then no speed. It has LED lights that I show you now. It has a switch here, you turn it on, and you have these 2 LED lights here, and these 4 LED lights at the back, and 2 at the bottom of these front ones. So, and it comes with 4 spare propellers, and then the charging USB cable, that it has a light when it's charging is off, when the charge is finished is on, the reverse of this one. And then you have a very basic remote here. It has just the accelerator here, up and down, and then yaw to the right and left, and then forward, back. Is really basic, this one is. And these 2 are for trimming. So nothing else, nothing, is just very simple, and it takes 2 AAA batteries, and it comes with the instruction manual and the warranty and so on. And JJRC H36, the size is rather a little bit bigger in comparison to the Nano, but is much more fun to play with. You have full control over this, and it has lights. Let me just get one of these batteries. It came with 2 batteries. This unit, I put 1 battery inside. I just cut this part to make it easier and a little bit lighter, and it is good, but if you drop it really hard, it's going to dislodge the battery. So this is it, and it has red and blue light for the front and red for the back, and this is how it looks like. And it has the guard, a special guard that it provides you with vortex to go up and down much easier, special propellers, and it came with 4 extra propellers, and then the charging cable, which is reverse of that one. The light is coming on when is not charging. When it's charging, the light is off, and when the charging is finished, the light coming back on again. And then the transmitter is substantial, but the size is small, but it has all the functions, the speed, low and high, the acrobatic, 360 movement, all directions when you press this one first, and then the right handle to any direction. These 2 are for trims. This is on or off, and this one is return to home, that I advise you never to use this because it shoots off in one direction, and if you are out, you're gonna lose it. And this is the headless mode. So this is in comparison to price, this one is offering you a lot more fun, and I by all means I recommend this one. So let's talk about them. Anyway, at the beginning I tell you that JJRC H36, for the price and the durability, is my favorite, and all the capability of the transmitter is my favorite, and the control and everything else. This one is fantastic. But this one, it was a present, this one, and the first one was faulty, and the remote control was reverse. When you've been pushing forward, going back, when you push backwards, going front, so it was useless. And then we got another one, and the other one works properly, which is this one. And this is not recommended at all for any age. Is frustrating, and if you make a mistake, if you hit it to the wall, you are gonna lose your propellers, and is totally uncontrollable. And I believe me, I've done the trimming, I've done everything that I could, trimming and calibration, everything. This is really frustrating. So by no means I'm going to recommend this one. Maybe the later models, they are better, but this one, that is absolute basic, I do not recommend this one. Then the name is Revel from the company, and amazingly this company is German, and this is it. revel control that some people they know this by the name of Hobson, and this I am not in favor of this nano quadcopter, and I do not recommend this for the price and the quality and the fun aspect is really frustrating, this one. So I do not recommend this one, but by all means I recommend the JJRC H36 because it is indestructible. If you hit it against the wall, nothing is going to fly off like your propellers, and it's just coming down, dropping down, and is very, very well made, and you're not going to damage this, and you're going to have a lot of fun with this. And comes with all of the spare parts, and this one especially under 16 pounds with extra battery, that if you want to buy one battery, just one battery is £4. So is a good deal for as a indoor quadcopter. But also if there is a very stable weather, you can use this outside, but because of the size, you're gonna lose it. I do not advise you to do that. So I'm going to show you a little bit of demonstration. Just here this is just my own opinion to tell you, do not go for this. By all means go for the JJRC H36. Anyhow, I set up here and then we are going to talk more. Now we are back here, and then first we get rid of this, and I show you how to charge. The charging is via this. You just plug it into the other end of your USB connector, and it's starting to charge, and the charging time roughly is between 20 and 30 minutes, and the flying time I told you is under 5 minutes, and it's really unstable. I show you now. When you turn it on, the lights are flashing, and as soon as you turn the controller on, it pairs. You don't need to do anything with this unit, and the calibration is the same. It's calibrated and it's trimmed. Just look at it, how uncontrollable this one is. You just, as soon as you turn it on, it goes to the left. I have trimmed it, believe me, I have trimmed it. It goes first to the left and then shoots to the right. I think these were bad batches anyhow, so to be fair on this quadcopter. But anyhow, and it doesn't have any guards, and you're going to hurt yourself if you hit it on your face or something. And as you see, it's really unstable. I cannot even control it here. And I show you with the other with the JJRC H36. You just put it in, and then this is more normal. When you turn it on, you move it up and down the accelerator, and then you are on. And look, is more somehow stable. I just put this a little bit more aside, and you see you have a lot of control here, and it's really good and stable that I can do it, play with this unit with joy. Obviously we are in a restricted area here, but this video is more or less about which one do I recommend, and I recommend the JJRC H36. You're gonna have a lot of fun with this, and is absolutely good. So never go for this Nano quadcopter for some other reasons, that it doesn't have any guards. If you hit it to the wall, or you have an accident, these are going to fly off, and you have to spend a lot of time looking for them. Anyhow, and this one, I have to say, I forgot, it takes 2 AA batteries, and it has all the functionality, not like this one. For a quadcopter is fantastic. Anyhow, this was a video about a comparison between the nanocopter and JJRC H36. By all means, go for this one. Anyhow, I hope you find this video helpful, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.